At sa punto pong ito, makakausap natin live mula sa lungsod ng Cebu ang gobernadora ng Cebu na sinuspindi kanina lamang, si Governor Gwendolyn Garcia. Magandang gabi po, gobernadora.
Magandang gabi, Mike.
Opo, natanggap nyo, sa puntong ito hanggang ngayon, natanggap nyo na ba mismo personal yung order mula sa DILG, Governor?
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin yan natatanggap.
Okay.
Ang nangyari kanina, the regional director came and I think they posted a photocopy of the order.
Okay. Ang giit po ng inyong kampo kanina sa mga nauna ng panayam sa media, hindi nyo raw kikilalanin or i-recognize yung suspension order na yan. Bakit po, Gobernadora? Anong basehan nyo para dyan?
Well, first of all, Mike, let us start with the manner by which this was served. Dapat personal ang service niyan because this concerns me. There is no such thing as a constructive service of a suspension order. But be that as it may, we believe that it is an illegal order. Matagal ng kaso na to. This was filed way back in 2010. And the complainant, the former vice governor, has long since passed away. And yet, they allowed the daughter to take up the case again. This does not involve inheritance of property or inheritance of whatever goods there are. This involves a particular function of a public official.
Opo.
Of which certainly wala namang personalidad ang daughter niya because she is not a public official.
Okay, Gobernadora.
And she was not even around.
Opo, ito pong importante
During
ngayon.
the time.
Okay, Governor. Ito pong importante ngayon sa mga
Yes.
mamamayan, lalo na dyan sa lalawigan nyo sa Cebu. Paano ngayon yung mga transaksyon dyan sa Kapitolyo? Yung mga ordinaryong mga mamamayan na may transaksyon dyan, paano ang serbisyo ngayon ng Kapitolyo? Kasi kanina, pinasumpa na ng DILG yung Vice Governor, si Vice Governor Magpale, Agnes Magpale. Paano na ngayon, Governor?
There is no disruption of services here. I have met with all of our department heads and they are one in agreement that they continue to recognize me as governor of Cebu. I've issued an executive order to clear that up. And instructions are to continue to deliver service to our constituents.
Okay, last question for this evening, Governor. Ano po mga susunod niyong gagawin ngayon at meron itong suspension order na inilabas laban sa inyo kahit na hindi niyo pa natatanggap, Governor?
We will avail of all legal remedies because I am entitled to due process under the rule of law.
Okay, thank you very much. At good evening po nyo dyan sa Cebu at salamat sa oras ninyo, Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Gwen Garcia. Good evening po.